Okay, good evening everyone. So today I'm going to show you the PLAC tutorial that we'll make this week. It is about making the teacher's day card. Okay, so here to make the card I need the base. I just the pink base, but later you will got colorful base. And then I got the origami paper to make the leaf that we will put on the bits on the pink card. And then I got the white part. This is for writing the messages for the teachers. And then I got the glue and I got the pencil. Okay, I got a pen too. Well, so to shorten the time, let's go to the process how to make the card. So first of all, I will make the leaf first. Okay, so how to make it, I will fold this into two parts. Actually the students will not cut this. I mean the teachers have provided, but we'll show them how to make the leaf shape. Okay, so this one I already make it two double, and I will cut it. Okay, why I make it directly two, so the size will be the same. Okay, so there will be two parts like this. Got the same, right? Okay, and then how to make this, let's go. Well, for the cards I will put the glue here. Put the glue first. I will paste here. Okay, and then another side, another left side, I put like this, so it will have like this, like a bit 3D, right? Okay, after that I will draw the lines, so the students will draw the lines. Okay, this is like, the concept is like making the hot air balloon. Okay, so there will be two lines like this, and then I will put the white card. I will paste the white card. In this white card they will write down the messages for their teachers. Put in the middle like this. Okay, like this. Nah, and then before we write, I also have the clouds here. Alright, I got the clouds. It can be colorful actually. I choose the white here, and then maybe I could make right here. Okay, like this. Alright, for the card actually they can, as I mean for the cloud, actually they can draw anything, like wanna make the smile like this. Okay, maybe another smile. We will see their creativity to design the clouds too. Okay, maybe something like this. Now here they will write the messages. Let me write, maybe I will write like happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day. Okay, and then I will add like thank you for teaching us and loving. Thank you for teaching us and loving us. Here is the student's name. For example, I write Octrian, for example. Okay, so it will be like this for the card. Nah, and the way the students, if the students wants to design, wants to put some kinds of they want to draw anything else, maybe around the left and right side, they can make it. Okay, so the concept is like the card with the hot air balloon. So here's the card that they want to make. Wow, the purpose of making this activity is they will be able to express their feeling towards their teacher, and then they can design. Maybe this is simple, but I believe the students will make more creative. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial. Thank you, bye bye.